Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we'll be making salami paninis. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 French baguette, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 teaspoons of pesto sauce, 4 ounces of thinly sliced salami, 2 roasted red peppers, 4 ounces of Swiss cheese, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. We'll start by preheating a panini press to high heat. Then we'll prepare our baguette. We'll cut off each of the ends, slice it down the middle, and then cut it into 2 approximately equal sized sandwiches. We'll brush olive oil on the outside of the sandwiches and then open them, putting a teaspoon of pesto sauce on each piece of bread and brushing it. Then we'll add our salami, cheese, and roasted red peppers. We'll finish it off with about 1/8 teaspoon of salt and pepper, or to taste. By the time we've prepared our paninis, our panini press should have finished preheating. We'll place them on the press them down for about 10 seconds, and allow them to cook for 8 minutes, until the cheese is melted and the sandwiches have warmed through. Once they're done, if your paninis are a little bit askew, you can straighten them up. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.